If you don't like sunburns, you're not alone. Sunburns can be painful and damaging to our skin, but still many of us chase the sun, seeking its warmth and light. The sun has a magnetic pull, drawing us to beaches, parks, and outdoor adventures. If you're curious about why we have different skin colors, you're in for a fascinating journey. Understanding how our skin colors evolved is like piecing together a complex puzzle of history, science, and nature. Human skin color diversity is a blend of genetics, evolution, and adaptation. Our skin color is not just a superficial trait, it's a reflection of our ancestors' journeys and the environments they lived in. Our ancestors carried genetic variations, especially in genes like MC1R, which led to different melanin levels. These genetic variations were crucial for survival in different parts of the world. Melanin is the pigment in our skin. More melanin means darker skin, less means lighter. Melanin acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting our skin from harmful UV rays. But why do we have these differences in melanin levels? What drove these changes in our skin color over thousands of years? It's all about ultraviolet, UV radiation. The sun emits UV radiation, which can be both beneficial and harmful to our bodies. Near the equator, where UV levels are intense, darker skin evolved to protect against UV damage and prevent the breakdown of folate, a vital nutrient for reproduction and development. Farther from the equator, in regions with less intense UV radiation, lighter skin evolved to help with the synthesis of vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and immune function. So title 1. Genetic variation 1. The primary determinant of skin color is melanin, a pigment produced by cells called melanocytes in the skin. Melanin comes in two types: eumelanin, which gives a brown or black color, and pheomelanin, which gives a yellow or reddish hue. The more melanin a person has, the darker their skin. Less melanin leads to lighter skin tones. 2. UV radiation. Skin color evolved in response to ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun. In regions near the equator, where UV radiation is intense, darker skin provides an advantage because melanin acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting the skin from UV damage and reducing the risk of skin cancer. Darker skin also helps to prevent the breakdown of folate, a vital nutrient that can be depleted by excessive UV exposure. Folate is important for reproduction and DNA synthesis, so protecting it would have been evolutionarily advantageous. In contrast, as some human populations migrated to regions farther from the equator with lower UV radiation, such as Europe and Northern Asia, lighter skin evolved. In these areas, less melanin was advantageous because lighter skin allows for better absorption of sunlight, which is necessary for the production of vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, and in regions with low sunlight, lighter skin helps individuals synthesize enough vitamin D from limited UV exposure. 3. Over tens of thousands of years, humans migrated to different parts of the world, and populations that settled in various regions adapted to their local environments. These environmental pressures influence the evolution of skin color. Equatorial regions, for example Africa, Southeast Asia, populations in these areas develop darker skin to cope with intense UV exposure. Northern latitudes, for example Europe, Northern Asia, populations develop lighter skin as a response to lower UV levels to optimize vitamin D production. 4. Throughout history, human populations have migrated, mixed and interbred with one another. This exchange of genes, known as gene flow, contributed to the diversity of skin colors we see today. For instance, people of mixed ancestry can inherit a combination of traits leading to a wide variety of skin tones. 5. While evolution explains the biological aspect of skin color variation, cultural factors such as migration, colonization, and trade have also played a role in how different populations have intermixed over time, adding further to the diversity of skin colors. Over time, as humans migrated and mixed, these traits blended, creating the beautiful spectrum of skin colors we see today. Our skin color is a testament to our ancestors' resilience and adaptability. So, whether you're basking in the sun or hiding from it, remember, your skin color is a masterpiece of evolution and adaptation. It tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the incredible journey of humanity across the globe. Embrace your unique skin color and the rich history it represents.